Hallo alle, guten Morgen. Ich heiße Khushbu Lalwani und ihr seht Deutsche Freundschaft. My name is Khushbu Lalwani and you all are watching Deutsche Freundschaft. In this video lesson for the Learn German for Beginners, German vocabulary, we are going to learn the months of the year. In the last lesson, we have learned the days of the week. And this lesson, we are going to learn January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, I want you to repeat in the same fluency in German language. So, fangen wir an. Januar, Januar, Januar. Februar, Februar. Maerz, Maerz. April, April. Mai, Mai. Juni, Juni. Juli, Juli. August, August. So it's not like in English we say August, it's August. September, September. October, October, October. November, November, November. Und danach Dezember, Dezember. So this was it. Januar, February, March, April, May, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. Now I want you to repeat it with the same fluency with me in German language. But now I have a question for you. Wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann hast du Geburtstag? When it's your birthday. And if you want to answer, then you can say Ich habe im. Ich habe im and the month, your birthday month. So, ich habe im März Geburtstag. I have my birthday in the month of March. Wann hast du Geburtstag? Please let me know in the comment box when it's your birthday month. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Deutsche Freundschaft. Und auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören und ciao.